Welcome to Nokia Oulu factory, or home of radio as we call it. This is where we produce 5G equipment, and my name is Erno. Oulu factory is a terrific showcase of our Nokia Digital Automation Cloud, the plug-and-play industrial-grade digital platform for connectivity and applications. Now let's have a quick overview of the solution.
Here we have a standard industrial facility layout. These dots are your LTE access points that bring connectivity to the whole area, to all your equipment and applications. This is your local edge server, to which the access points connect. The solution has built-in redundancy. Redundancy means that if one part of the digital platform fails, another part takes over automatically and there is no service disruption. The system is not dependent on one access point or edge server.
In our factory, redundancy enables that even the most critical applications can be connected wirelessly, like this testing cell in the modular automation concept line.
LTE covers 85% of today's industrial connectivity use cases. The LTE device ecosystem is standardized too. For extreme capacity and ultra-low latency needs, the upgrade to 5G is easy. Simply install 5G access points and they work seamlessly in your private wireless network. The local edge server can be upgraded with software.
Digital Automation Cloud increases productivity at our factory. We have connected AIVs to the private wireless network, and now they can run without interruptions, which wasn't the case when connected to Wi-Fi.
AIVs enable automated material feed. Our smart buffers send automated requests to the AIVs based on the sensors. We can also call the AIVs to the production line when needed by pressing a button that is connected to the private LTE.
Hello there.
Well, hello to you.
Thanks to a fleet manager, the AIVs work in a smart swarm. They are never in each other's way and they share the workload optimally. The AIVs can also monitor the network capacity and coverage in real time.
Digital Automation Cloud is the foundation for building digital twins of your processes. Productivity increases can be verified with a digital model prior to you making any real-world layout changes.
Digital automation enables real-time video analytics. In this case, we are tracking production material quantities. But video analytics can also be applied to production quality control. What comes to connecting production equipment, private wireless allows better flexibility than fixed lines. This way we can easily adapt to rapid changes on the production floor.
Flexibility indeed is one of the reasons to choose wireless connectivity. You can make flexible layout changes in your assembly lines without cabling slowing you down. That brings cost reductions. A wireless network also means less configuration work when you alter the production layout.
In our factory, there are layout changes pretty much every week. Like this line here, it was built up just within days and will be moved to another location after a couple of weeks.
Network slicing enables you to separate traffic from different sources or between different user groups. You can guarantee capacity for priority use and split the network resources accordingly.
Our factory wireless network has the capability to slice the network with different access point names, APNs. We plan to use this feature to separate the production environment from the development environment. We also plan to use this for personal voice or video communication. This way we can ensure that the production network is always prioritized. Sometimes things can get lost in production. That's why we added the high-accuracy indoor positioning system to give us the real-time position of our assets. Now I know exactly where this lifter is located. It should be clear by now that Digital Automation Cloud brings us real value beyond connectivity. This value comes from the applications I quickly demonstrated, but there's so much more.
Nokia Digital Automation Cloud comes with a catalogue of applications, some from Nokia, some from existing ecosystems. You can click and deploy applications to realize your digitalization use cases and investments. The applications run locally, thanks to edge computing capability brought by Nokia Digital Automation Cloud.
That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed our tour of digital automation in Nokia Oulu factory.